Here is the summary verse. Although impermanence surrounds me, I still cling to permanence. Although I have reached old age, I still think of myself as young. Bless me and all misguided beings, like me, that the realization of impermanence may arise in our minds. Once that conviction arises within you, any dharma practice will become effortless. At that point, you won't require the guru's close supervision or the oversight of a monastery to monitor you constantly. You will engage in practice proactively. Even if the guru forbids you from practicing, you will implore his permission, saying, I must practice right now. Otherwise, it will be too late. Life is too short, and impermanence can arrive at any moment, so will you allow me to practice for 1 hour a day? Therefore, a genuine practitioner places great importance on the practice of impermanence.